This is my picture that I drew of clouds on graph paper. The idea is that every square is going to be a single crochet. So for the first row, you start with chains. So there's 24 across. I'm going to start with blue, do a slip knot onto your hook. This is 4 millimeters. And I'm going to do 24 chains. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I want 26. Okay. Okay, here's 24. Okay, 24. This doesn't count as on here. This is like an extra line right here. So we're gonna go up starting onto the next line here. Every, like, this little part on the side, you do another chain. So 1 chain, and then I'm gonna double crochet going back this way. So double crochet back into this like second last one that I did. And then keep double crocheting. Sorry if I just said double crochet, I meant single crochet. You're doing only single crochets in this. Single crochet into all of your chain stitches going back this way. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blue, and then this we're going to do white. So I've done 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For the 12th one, you're gonna start it yarn over, pull through. Don't do the final pull through the 2 loops because we're gonna change color for your next stitch. So with the white yarn, grab it and pull it through those loops and tie a knot. So stick the crochet hook back into the loops. You're gonna be working with the white now, so you pull through this blue crochet that didn't get finished, pull through with white, and now you're working with white. So into the next blue chain crochet, I'm gonna hook the end of the white knot in, hold it along the chain so that it gets hidden and isn't lying loose. So single crochet into the blue chain, you're using the white now, and you can just go to the end with white. Okay, so that's the second row, pretty much, well, it's the first row. So now, I'm gonna go from here to here, is a chain with white, and then I'm gonna flip it like upside down backwards, because like if you're right-handed you can only crochet this way. So imagine the image flipped. We're gonna keep doing white, so back into the, not your chain that you just did, but the last single crochet with white, and keep going back this way in the second row. Okay, so now we want to go back to blue. My last white stitch, I go into the white stitch, yarn over, pull through. Before I finish this stitch, I'm not going to finish it with the white, I'm going to grab this blue that's hanging here and just bring it up and finish the stitch with blue. And then just go into the blue and do my blue single crochets, leaving the white hanging there. Okay, so if you turn that back around the right way, there's the first 2 rows. You're going to go back this way, so do a chain of blue for up the side, and then back into your single crochets. So that's the idea. You can keep going back and forth, and then whenever you want to change the color, the last, like if I want to go back to white, the last blue stitch, I don't complete the crochet with the blue thread, I change onto the white thread and pull through the 2 loops with the white thread. So hopefully that gives you an idea. One note is that I left the blue and the white just hanging. Like, I'm not using white right now, so it's hanging right here. What you can do is have this go through your crochets. So like, okay, I'm just gonna go back over to the white. So here I want to go back to white. This is my last blue crochet, go into the blue crochet, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. I finish with white instead of blue. And then what I was talking about is, instead of leaving this blue hanging, suppose I wanted to like do some blue over here, and I want to like bring the blue thread with me so that I have it over there. I'm going to do my white crochets and just bring the blue thread along in the same way that the loose end of the white knot got crocheted in. So doing the white crochets with the blue just there, getting stuck in the middle of the crochets. And then so that if I wanted to do some blue, I can change to blue. So like it's just a choice of like the design, whether you want to leave the thread hanging or if you want to bring it through. Like, it depends if you have colors on both sides, kind of. If you do bring it through, you can kind of see it though, but it's not that big of a deal. Hopefully that explains because like that's what you're going to want to do for rows like this. Hopefully that explains how to do it. Good luck.